Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new KTM 390 Adventure first look. So make sure to watch the full video. Last year, the KTM 390 Adventure got new wheels, and it's happening again for 2023. Although that's the only change this year. The 2023 KTM 390 Adventure is still worth another look. Consistent with its ADV mission, the 371-pound ADV motorcycle gets wire-spoked wheels for the first time. There's no change in the size of the rims. It's a 17-19-inch combo. The Continental TKC 70 tires are also back, slotting between the off-road ready TKC 80 tires and the Conti Trail Attack 2 tires, which are more pavement-oriented. Adjustable traction control and ABS make the most of the rubber. Traction control can be set in street or off-road modes. Street ABS works on both wheels, while off-road ABS turns off the ABS for the rear wheel while reducing the front wheel application. A radially mounted 4-piston by Brembo caliper works on a 320mm front disc. The rear has a single piston by Brembo caliper modulating a 230mm disc. The potent 373cc dual overhead camshaft single, also used in the Duke 390 and RC 390 sport bikes, returns for 2023. The engine has a 6-speed transmission, quick shifter optional, and an assist and slipper clutch. A counterbalancer keeps the ride-by-wire engine running smoothly. Suspension is handled by DOHC. There are apex units at each end, with the shock having rebound damping and spring-preloaded adjustability. There are no adjustments available for the inverted fork. A trellis frame holds it all together. The 2023 KTM 390 Adventure is available in any color you like, as long as it's orange and black. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $7,399, and the lightweight ADV motorcycle will appear on your KTM dealer's showroom floor in March. What do you think about the new 2023 KTM 390 Adventure? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.